For hundreds of years, we have been handling our commodities in very much the same way. Pushbox is a comprehensive logistic and packaging system designed to optimize all stages of the supply chain, while at the same time getting rid of unsolved issues from the past. Welcome to the world of Pushbox. We'd like to show you what we can do to improve critical aspects of your business. Each Pushbox is like a small-scale warehouse. Inside, there is a food-grade bag covered by 2 carton layers. The package is filled with product, vacuum-isolated, and tightly sealed. Pushbox protects your foodstuff and keeps its quality and freshness for over 2 years. We preempt the handling of overweight pieces by your workers and simplify both the loading and unloading operations. Pushbox saves on warehousing and shipping space. No more need to place moisture absorbers and wallpaper in your shipping containers. We provide better inventory control and quicker cargo mobility. Pushbox is a totally eco-friendly solution because it is 100% recyclable. Plus, there is no need for fumigation. Say goodbye to the Jurassic era. Enter the world of Pushbox.